Good afternoon, everybody. It's Greg Douglas coming at you with another weekly edition of Explore More. Today we're going to take a look at the slots and all of the slot improvements here on our property.
Welcome back. My name's Jay Ellenberger. I'm one of the casino GMs here. If you look at our slot machine layout, what we've done is made smaller banks to make it more comfortable for our guests. So we have a lot of banks that only have 2, 4, 6, and 8 games to the bank, so that it gives you more room, more elbow space, and easier to get through the machines and see what we've got available on the floor. So we've added a lot of new games also, and by the time we're done, we'll add 200 new boxes on the floor that will give us, the new 3D games, new progressive games, a lot of exciting new titles, new boxes, new comfort level at sitting at the boxes. We're also on one ticketing system. And so we just used the one ticket. We went through some headaches with having 2 tickets, but much better experience today. We also have downloadable credits and e-cash play on the machines. You can do all your bonusing at the machines now, and so much easier experience. And we've also laid out our ticket redemption machines in key places so that you can have better access to them, so you can cash out your own tickets or use them as an ATM. Every one of them is used as an ATM also. Another big piece of our gaming floor is the experience with the stage. So what we wanted to do is get everything kind of built onto the floor so you could have access to the stage, listen to the live music that we have on the weekend, and just be a part of the experience. Same with the promotions. By being on the floor with the promotions all in one area, everybody gets the same experience. In the past, we had a separate room for our non-smoking machines, and that just didn't work out. You didn't ever feel like you were part of the experience. Today, it's all in the same room, one big grand space, and so hopefully that's much better for the customers. We believe it's a much better experience. Come check us out. It's a very nice layout.
Hey, I hope you enjoyed our edition of Explore More today, where we took a look at the slot improvements here at Swinomish Casino Lodge. Check back next week for our next edition.